let's talk about our last section here, and that's getting creative with your approach to marketing. I told you, I know it sounds like, oh, kind of a phone in, but seriously, the more you can do to make self and your firm stand out, the better, right? We all know that law firms and the legal field in general, it can have a reputation for being a bit stuffy, right? But your marketing doesn't have to. Even when it comes to, your traditional advertising, there are things that you can do to kind of make that stand out. So just a few things here I wanted to go over, a few ideas that I could throw out there. Webinars or seminars for professional referrals. This one, it seems a little more difficult than it is, but if you set up a seminar or even a webinar, and let's say you have one for young professionals, you're an estate planning attorney and you want to help people understand that it's important to get started on this process early. So you're looking at kind of a different audience, but by offering some free and valuable information to your community, it goes back to that community thing, but you're putting it out there, you're going to ultimately start to build up a referral business where people are going to come in for the information, they're going to connect the dots, and they're going to say, hey, this is somebody who can help me. Another great example I've heard of this is actually a personal injury attorney who focuses on wrongful death cases, giving seminars to funeral home directors about how they can help make sure that their clients can pay for their services using an injury lawsuit, if applicable. And I've heard really good things about that strategy. Another great idea, ask a lawyer events, right? So you have a lot of knowledge and you have a lot of people who have questions. So it doesn't even matter what kind of lawyer you are, have an event at the local community center where people can come, you're there for an hour and people can ask questions and you can answer them, give them tips, give them some guidance. And obviously, you want to make sure that you stay within the realm of kind of ethics and everything like that. But it is doable and we have seen it done. We have seen it successful. Next thing is put yourself out there. Start a podcast, start a YouTube video or start a YouTube channel and start providing information that's really valuable to people because you're going to become a known quantity. Again, we know that people do business with people that they like and trust. When you do this, it's going to help create that trust. People are going to reach out to you. Your traditional advertising, it doesn't have to be a huge image of you in a suit on a billboard. You can go outside the box. You can use advertising that resonates with people a lot better than that. Again, we want to move away from that stuffiness. So really try to connect with people. And one of the biggest tips I can give you about your traditional advertising is stop making it about yourself. Don't make it about you. Make it about your potential clients. Make the advertising about them. Make them the star of the story in all of the advertising. Finally, try new things. Don't be afraid. Not everything is going to work. You might do a seminar, you might have one featured and nobody comes. Keep trying. Don't just give up because one thing that you tried doesn't work. That's a constant in digital marketing.